It is usually gray in color. It has long ears. It eats grass. It makes a sound. What is that? Donkey. Donkey.
It wags their tails. It loves to play with people. It barks and say, "What is that?" It is a dog. Dog. It is birds that cannot fly. It has black and white feathers. It lives in icy, cold places. It walks in a funny way. What is that? It is penguin. Penguin. It has long trunks. It has big ears. It drinks water with their trunks. It makes the sound. What is that? It is elephant. Elephant. It climbs trees. It loves to eat bananas. It has long tails. It can hold things with their hands. It makes sounds. What is that? It is monkey. Monkey.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe Gigi Kids Tube.